Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your home. Today, we're diving into the Broan-NuTone 678 ventilation fan and light combo, a must-have for improving air quality and lighting in your bathroom or home. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable solution, the Broan 678 could be exactly what you need. This unit combines a powerful exhaust fan with a bright light, all in one convenient package. With a 50 cfm airflow, it's perfect for smaller rooms or bathrooms up to 45 square feet. Whether you're trying to eliminate moisture, odors, or just need a quick ventilation boost, this fan has you covered. Plus, it includes a 100-watt lighting capacity to keep your bathroom well lit and fresh, although you'll need to buy the bulb separately. One of the standout features of the Broan 678 is its easy installation. It's designed to be a DIY-friendly upgrade, especially if you're replacing an old fan. The fan comes with polymeric duct connectors, tapered sleeves, and a plug-in motor, making it a smooth and efficient process to install. Even better, its sturdy mounting brackets and built-in backdraft damper ensure the fan stays securely in place without any noisy clattering. Aesthetically, the Broan 678 features a clean white polymeric grille that complements most bathroom decors, seamlessly blending in without drawing attention. The unit is compact, with dimensions that fit easily into your ceiling space. Despite its size, it still provides excellent performance. It's all listed for safety, meaning you can use it confidently in bathrooms, including over bathtubs or showers when properly connected to a GFCI circuit. Another benefit is its quiet operation. At 2.5 zones, the fan won't interrupt your peace or daily routine. While it's not the absolute quietest, it strikes a good balance between performance and noise reduction. And with its energy-efficient design, it's a practical addition to any home. To summarize, if you're in the market for an affordable, easy-to-install, and effective bathroom ventilation solution, the Broan 678 ventilation fan and light combo offers everything you need. It combines efficiency, design, and ease of use, all for an excellent price point. That wraps up today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews, and let us know if you've tried the Broan 678 and what your experience has been. See you next time.